So, ladies and gentlemen, you are most welcome again to TebiTalks.com. This is Pastor Francis again. I welcome you to TebiTalks. You are most welcome. In today's video, we are going to discuss something very important. I will be answering a question which states, is internet making us wiser or not? It is very important to answer this question because I've got many requests, many calls, many messages from students asking me to tackle this. So we're going to discuss and see how best we can handle this. First and foremost, what you need to know that the impact of internet on human intelligence is so much complex and has been debated over a long time. So it is very important to know that the internet itself is a tool that can be used to make someone wise, or it is a tool that can be used in various ways, and its effects on individuals differ or depends on how it has been utilized. So let's talk about access to information and knowledge. The internet provides easy access to a lot of amount of information and resources. This allows individuals to quickly find answers to questions, learn new topics, explore a diverse perspective, and in this case, the internet can enhance knowledge acquisition and potentially contribute to increase of in the intelligence. So uh, now, when you get the resources, when you get answers to your question, of course, your intelligence will have to increase. And then let's talk about cognitive benefits. Some studies, of course, suggest that using the internet can improve your ability to problem solving. It can improve the ability to multitasking. This can be done through navigating through a vast amount of information online. This may enhance critical thinking skills and information processing and also digital literacy. So with all this, you realize that we can't say that you cannot become wise when you're using internet. Of course you can. What about collaboration and learning opportunities? Yeah, of course, right now we know, when with internet, you are connected to the whole world. Internet enables you to collaborate and share knowledge across geographical boundaries. This could be online communities using social media, using various websites which provide educational services like Khan Academy, like Coursera, and many others. So these educational platforms are open and they provide resources and opportunities for learning, skill development, and intellectuals, and hence making providing more intelligence to human being. So, but however, in the other hand, challenges to deep thinking is there. Like when you're using internet, you don't think deep. The abundance of information and constant digital distraction can make it so challenging for individuals to engage in deep and focused thinking. You will always rely on internet every time, even a simple question that comes, you want to go and search and find answers on the internet. So with that, the ability to think, the ability to utilize your brain will become so low. This will now become so much tendency to skim rather than deep analyzing the contents, which are so much concern in your day-to-day activities. So then we'll talk about information overload and misinformation. Information overload and misinformation. Here I mean that when you over rely on the internet, first of all, you may be misinformed. You will get a lot of information, and in the end, you will fail to get which one to pick. You will get a lot of answers. In the end, you will get which answers to pick. So you have to be very wise. The vast amount of information available on the internet can lead to misinformation, can lead to overload, can make it so much difficult to get accurate and reliable information. And this will help in the long run to make you come up with poor decisions. It will make you come up with poor results. So you have to be very careful when you're using the internet because you will be misinformed. You will get a lot of answers. You get a lot of information that you can really fail to choose which one is the best for you. Reduced memorization and relying on external tools. Of course, we talked about this. We said the availability of information online has decreased the need to memorize facts and details. Like now, these days you cannot even memorize some of the concepts because you think anytime you need that, you go and visit Mr. Google and get whatever thing you want. And the intelligence influence on social media interaction and emotional well-being can also indirectly affect our intelligence. For example, excess use of social media, for example, this may impact attention spans, self-esteem, and mental health, and this will impact our ability and overall intellectual development. When you overuse social media, when you overuse these platforms, they will impact on how you you think. They will impact on how you perceive certain information, because sometimes you may be taken by influence. You may see a certain community, a certain group of people in a certain platform, how they are doing, how they are behaving, and you want to behave the same. You may neglect what you know, what you have, and tend to move by the other way. That's why we've seen different people trying to copy uh, cultures of other people. So in that way, you find that the self-esteem will be destroyed, mental health will be destroyed. You will have no ability to develop your intellectuals naturally. So you find everything may be hard. So it is now so much important that as you use the internet, of course, important is very important. You have to balance both the advantages and also the disadvantages. You don't have to over rely on internet. You also need to use your brain. You need to be a person who can think on your own and make decision. And let use internet to enhance and empower the decision you have made by your own. So it is so much worth noting that the impact of internet on intelligence can vary widely among individuals based on their usage and patterns, habit, and ability to effectively navigate and filter information. So you have to filter. You have, of course, that's when you talk about data mining, is the process of getting certain amount of data from a hub, from a stack of data, from a database. So you have to filter and get what you want. Don't have to pick each and everything. And the overall effects can be so much influenced by factors such as digital literacy and the critical thinking skills. You have to you need to have the knowledge of computer skills. You need to have knowledge of a certain skills in certain programs, certain tools in IT, for you to come up with best patterns, with best knowledge, with best data. Like if you want to organize your data well, you need to have knowledge in Microsoft Excel. You need to have knowledge in programs like Python, which will help you to organize your data, do an analysis, and so all that will help you come up with information which is so much beneficial, not each and everything. So I can say that in summary, the internet has the potential to enhance intelligence by providing access to information where, of course, when you have information, you can enhance your intelligence. Secondly, it can help to facilitate collaboration, and it can help to promote the cognitive skills. However, it also presents challenges such as information overload, potential distraction, and the deep thinking and critical analysis become solo. So, responsible and mindful citizens and the mindful people, they think twice before they use the internet. Otherwise, if you are not wise, you will be challenged. And I would encourage you that you keep thinking before you go and start using internet. Think of what you want, where do you want it. If you're a student, I told you last time, we have some platform which have been tested and they provide quality services like Khan Academy, like Coursera, like Udemy, like Code Academy, like Tebitox. So remember to use those platforms. They will help you to come up to get what you want, other than just going on Google and say, I want this. I want the question on algebra. I want the question on Bantu migration. I want to know the European history. You get a lot of things and you'll be distracted. You'll be misinformed, and you end up failing in your life. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel and also register to our website tabbytalks.com so that you can get videos as they pop up. Otherwise, we love you so much. Let's catch up in the next video.